This 2015 Keystone Montana 3850FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, self-contained, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, refrigerator, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, external shower, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Keystone Montana 3850 Florida is 12,842 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.